How to record and add voiceover in CapCut. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application CapCut. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, select any of the new video from your gallery, or you can pick any of the video that you have uploaded. Once you've uploaded the video that you want to add the voiceover, at the bottom of the screen, you can see tons of different options. All you gotta do is, you have to click on audio, and then simply select record. You will get to see one mic button, and then the next one is teleprompter. Over here you can enter the script that you want to read or voice over, and then play it along. But if you already have your own script, then tap and hold this mic icon at the bottom of the screen and then start speaking. It will start to record your voice as well. There you can see that the voice is being recorded. Likewise, you can stop it anywhere you want to, and then again start it over. Well, you can turn off the music of your video. So this is simply how you can do voiceover on CapCut. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.